What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing a video, but there's
I'm
a
in
catch.
my chair, by the way.
Okay, but there's a catch. We're going to be going
Thanks,
to our
Tristan.
settings, and we're
Well,
going
he
to.
is.
Well, yeah, I'm going to go
He
to my
is.
settings,
I'm gonna be
and
like
we're
the
going to
guy
be
that
doing a
sees
video.
normal.
I'm going to have
About it.
contrast
All the way.
all the way up, and y'all see how this sucks. Yep. Kind of looks cool at the same time in Animal Company.
Trust
let's
me,
get
if you
it.
go in Gorilla Tag and do it, it turns into a horror mode.
I know.
Trust me.
Okay.
We're going to be mining. Boy, I'm on a chair. How do you turn snap turn on?
Snap turn. Click your left, like your left meta button,
Okay.
and
Now
then
what?
now.
Oh.
You didn't.
That's
do
all
that?
I had to do?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
Okay, we're going to be going mining.
Let me
I want
take
to
my
see how
tablet off.
Okay.
This is basically like a challenge for me also, like doing this in like a stationary not a stationary, but a few boundaries still like.
Oh yeah. When I upload, I hate when I was first playing VR. I just made like a stationary boundary, so all I had was.
Yeah, but now I don't make stationary boundaries. Now
I make the biggest bounty in ever, like in the entire world. Since I have like a big room.
When I first started
hit.
recording, I used stationary boundaries. But when they uploaded the stationary boundaries, that's when I started to use them. Scare. Oh man.
I just.
never
Alright, come on.
snapped turn before, so first time experience. It's not going good so far.
Oh my god, this looks creepy. Wait. Oh my god. Woo! Did you all just see that? That's creepy. Jace, hold on. Come here. I'm gonna.
Big rock man. There's a charger in my way once I do that.
Alright, come here. Come here. I'm going to be going to go get me the big flashlight. Come here. Come get this flashlight.
Oh, the mega flashlight?
Yeah, because this is a little bit too scary. Alright, take this flashlight.
I'm not taking it. You're gonna get the whole mega flashlight. So, yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can barely see. That's how bad it is. Where am I? Can we go up more? Wait, yeah, we're at the top. Okay. Wait, is it? Oh, we can still go up. I see. Okay. Jay, gotta get the. Okay. We're going to get at least the 4 fish. Okay, that's way better. That's way better. That is way better. Now it's kind of realistic.
Oh my gosh, flashbang. You flashbang me. Wait on me.
Okay. Before.
Okay, I'm back.
We at least have to get 3 research points and 300 coins until. I just got a research point. Okay,
Let's
so
calm down.
now we just need to get 50
By
coins.
We, you mean you? Wait on me. I can't see.
Come on. I need to get 50 coins. So let me mine these.
I can just do what I want, and I got a research point. Let's go.
I'm already at 280. So let's go to 320 coins. You know what? Come on, Jace.
I got 2 research points from that.
All right. Well, we're gonna go to 340 since this is already we're already almost done because I'm at 280 right now. Come on. Little bro, what are you doing? Oh crap! No, we don't play like that. You ain't hitting me, boy.
What are you doing?
Armstrong here trying to hit. That's his name. Armstrong. Another, yeah, for real.
Say that, I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's taking flash than you make.
Okay, I'm at 330. Let's do 300.
Already?
Yeah. Look, if I turn this off, it's literally a horror mode.
Yeah, same thing for me because I'm scared of the dark.
I'm at 370.
I'm at 195 because I don't really care about
Come on. Jace, let's at least get to 400. I mean 450. All right, come on.
I'm still at 100.
Dang. We may hit the daily limit. Now, y'all, if y'all join my my fan code, I will get y'all at least to the max money, and that's 10 mil. Because we
We dupe a lot. That's how I have
Yeah.
5 now.
my friend gave me some modded bags to dupe,
Not me.
and yeah, not Jace.
Slash
I told him to
Korea.
join my
Help.
fan code, and then he said he will. Then I said, do you have any bags that we can dupe to get any money? Then he said, yeah, I have a modded bag that gives you like 300k, and then well, it ended off to be around 177k each time.
But still, we got a lot of money from like selling.
Yeah,
Like selling 5 bags will get you at least like 2 whole meals.
yeah, for real.
So are we going down this part? Can you stop flashback? Oh my gosh!
I need to get to
You have to hit me.
Hold on, let's go. Let's go over here.
Hold on.
We're gonna do it to 420 because this is gonna be hard because I'm hitting almost my daily limit.
Wait on me. Bro, it's harder to play in a chair than playing with contrast all the way up. On chair, you have a limited mobility. You have to use Snapchat, which sucks. And, like, you have to do a lot of things that don't.
Okay.
Smash!
Okay, so we gotta go find some more. Is that something? Or is that? Okay.
Whee!
All right.
There's
come on.
things up here.
What? I don't need that. All right, come on. Come on, Jace.
Trying to get anything I can take.
That barely gives you anything. Come on.
It's
That
not
just
mine.
gives you nut coin. Come on.
I keep on getting stuck in the ground somehow.
All right. Oh,
Get this
right here.
research thing. Got nothing from it. I'm getting stuck.
No. Bad boy. Hold on. Hold on, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Driving in my car right after a beer. DUI. Okay, I just need 10 coins, but that's gonna be hard because I'm almost at my. Okay, come on. I'm almost at my daily limit.
Nope. I'm unstuck now.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on.
Well, it's hard to play on the chair, right?
Oh, I'm at 435.
Research point.
You know, I'll end the video if I get one more research point. I already know that's not gonna happen.
You got a box. If you mind the one I had and you said that, then the video would have been over. Where you go?
I'm over here. Still over here.
Oh, I thought you went over there.
You know what? 460 coins, and that's it. Guess we have to. Hold on, let me mine them. Let me mine them. Jay, chill.
There was no gold in that one that I mined. Con.
Sure about that?
Yeah.
Ooh. I'll even settle for one more research point. See, look, if I turn this off,
Where'd you go?
I can't see a thing.
I can't see anything, but your body makes it glow, so yeah.
Lucky.
Spider? I'm stuck. Okay.
Buddy boy, come on.
Shrine.
Bro,
right?
what happened to you? I'm dipping.
Bro's like,
I'm out.
my name is Richard and I'm sitting in the corner.
Corner.
Bro, the spider turned into Richard.
Oh god.
My name is Richard and I'm
Okay. We're at 450.
You're not shining the light. Oh, where is he? Oh, he's over there. You wanna go kill the spider?
No. Jace, come on. Let's go back.
Armstrong.
Bro!
Armstrong.
Armstrong.
So we're going back, okay.
Where's body corpse? Alright, Jace, come here. Where are you? Where'd my pickaxe go? Jace, over here. Okay, let's go back. Well,
Hey.
chill out.
What's that?
Well, we're gonna end the video right there.
Wait.
Come on.
I'm
Oh
coming.
my gosh.
I'm sure.
We're going to be ending the video right there. And
Bye. That was me playing on chair, and that was him playing on contrast all the way up. See you in
in the next one. Bye. Okay.